You cannot ignore the omens, Arcantos. Lord Poseidon's displeasure is clear. We must help break the siege at Troy.
Troops we send now will be lucky to arrive before the fight is over. Even if they do, their only task will be to show the banner of Atlantis, not a task for an admiral.
It would shame Agamemnon if we sent one of your junior officers. He already complains that we do not pay enough attention to the Greek colonies. No, it must be you!
What in the name? Castor, stay here!
Έτοιμο, ορθός.
Roche.
The Atlantean army is on the way. Defend the harbor until they arrive.
Well done, but we should prepare ourselves for more attacks.
Remember, additional Toxotae can be trained at the archery range. These excel against enemy infantry.
Μεταλλεύς. Προς τα γάνη, βούλομαι.
Πρόσεχε.
Λέγε, ορθός, πάνι. Έτοιμος, βούλομαι. Πρόσταγμα, ορθός.
A landing party!
Λέγε, πρόσταγμα, βούλομαι. Ορθός.
Πρόσεχε. Μάλιστα έστω. Μάλιστα.
Λέγε, πάνι.
Good. The black sails are going to regret this.
Ορθός, βούλομαι. Ορθός, πάνι.
Hoplites are infantry trained at the military academy. Use them to protect your vulnerable Toxotae. Several villagers are working in town, west of the harbor. If you are running out of a particular resource, you should consider retasking them to gather it.
Λέγε, ορθός, πάνι. Βούλομαι, έτοιμος. Ορθός.
Another kraken approaches. Poseidon's wrath is clear.
Λέγε.
Πρόσταγμα. Μάλ. Ορό.
Έτοιμο. Ισμάχιν.
Λέγε. Καλώς.
Λέγε. Καλώς. Εισβολή.
A hero has fallen.
Έτοιμο. Ορθός. Ισμάχιν.
Good work, but keep your eyes open.
Λέγε. Πάνι. Ορθός. Πάνι. Ορθός. Πάνι.
Use the restoration god power to heal your units and mend your buildings.
Get those Petropoli up here.
Another kraken headed for the shore.
Έτοιμο. Ορθός.
Λέγε. Πανί. Έστω.
Πρόσταγμα. Λέγε, καλώς.
Πρόσταγμα. Εισβολή.
Πρόσταγμα. Βουλάνι. Έτοιμος. Βούλομαι.
A landing party!
Λέγε, ορθώς. Χώρο. Έτοιμο. Πάνι. Ισμάχιν.
Λεζέ. Βουλχόρο. Καλώς. Excellent. Get ready, everyone. This isn't over yet.
Λέγε, ορθώς. Πάνι. Βούλom. Ορθώς. Πάνι.
Πρόσταγμα. Μάλιστα.
Consider upgrading the weapons and armor of your units at the armory.
Black sails! Pirates!
Πρόσεχε. Γεωργός.
Έτοιμος.
Έτοιμο. Εισχωρώ. The pirates won't take Atlantis this way. What are they thinking? Ne, Hani. Ismaken. Πρόσεχε.
Another kraken approaching! Pray this is the last!
Πρόσταγμα.
A black sail landing party!
Καλώς.
Πρόσταγμα. Χώρο.
Πρόσεχε. Ισμαχέν.
Λέγε, βούλομαι. Έτοιμο, ορθώς, πάνι. Ισμάχιν, πρόσταγμα, χώρο. Λέγε, εισβολή. Πρόσταγμα, βούλ, ορθώς.
A hero has fallen.
Λέγε, καλώς, έτοιμο, βούλομαι, ισμάχιν. Λέγε, εισβολή.
The Atlantean army will be here soon!
Πρόσταγμα.
Έτοιμο. Ναι. Hani.
Λέγε, ορθάνι, βούλομαι, πάνι. Βούλομαι, πάνι. Ισμάχιν.
Arkantos, the Atlantean army has arrived!
Βούλομαι. Ορθώς. Καλώς.
Command us, Arkantos!
Λέγε, ναι, έστε. Invoke the lightning storm god power to decimate attacking pirates.
Ισμάχιν. Χώρο.
A hero has fallen.
Λέγε. Ορθώς. Βούλομαι. Εισβολή. Πρόσταγμα. Πάνι. Χώρο. Εισβολή.
Προς, ναι, μάλιστα. Εισβολή!
Λέγε. Καλώς. Έτοιμο. Εισβολή.
The black sails are fleeing. It will take more than pirates to overrun Atlantis.
Arkantos. His creatures helped the pirates.
Father, they stole the trident.
What?
Yes, it was stolen during the fighting.
Kamos.
There could not be a clearer sign, Arkantos. We are losing Poseidon's favor. We must act.
I will go to Troy as you ask. I'm going to get that trident back on the way. Zethos, take supplies aboard and get the men together. We're setting sail.
Can I come?
No, I need you here in case they come back. Don't worry, this errand will not take long.